Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show how to install native WhatsApp application for Windows 10. You can download the application from this web page. I will put a link to this page in the video description, whatsapp.com/download. Here you can download for Windows or Mac. Okay, after clicking this download for Windows button, there will be a setup like this. An application, this portable application. You can move this application to wherever you want. Double click on it and it will open a window. Here you can see the WhatsApp application with a QR code. After that, you need to open the WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Open the application and go to settings, and here select WhatsApp web. And if you already signed in to some other WhatsApp web or any other application, first you need to log out and again go to WhatsApp web and scan this QR code. As you can see, I successfully scanned the QR code and the WhatsApp is starting. As you can see, my contacts and previous chats are here, just like WhatsApp web. The advantage of this application is you can use keyboard shortcut like Control N, Control Shift N for new group. Use normal cut, copy, paste. All Windows shortcuts will be available here. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. One more thing, this is an internet speed test application, openspeedtest.com. This is an HTML5 based internet speed test application, so you don't need Adobe Flash or Java to run a speed test. As you can see, it will run on iPhone, iPod, Android, or any devices, any device which capable to run HTML5. Take a look at this website. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.